Yema Obibi Akwaba at the bar a porcupine stand here on YouTube with Obed. Well, Kumasi Asante Kotoko at a match Ashishaso against Club ADUANA Stars, and it's a good day. Clearly, almost every Asante Kotoko fan is happy at the moment because of the scoreline PMU, which a scoreline that few people expected and few people anticipated. Say such a recording a victory ebetimi apiemu ewo ho for Asante Kotoko ni nyina na say proud to this game. Not 4 matches Kumasi Asante Kotoko entimi ndi nkunim, so who felt to say this Kotoko team betimi ewuremu odoma akonya a win. Well, and now how much omo ana omo follow so better champion on a Facebook be at exactly 140 something, and man for BT ya home say adwuma na si na enen kugu enya Asante Kotoko dia. So I went on Facebook to post that a win or draw for Asante Kotoko around 1 o'clock. Not 2 young boy. Anopano. And minya sa hint. Well, we're going to digest the game away from what people believe, the spiritual aspect. We're going to talk about the physical aspect and what exactly happened in the game, the key observations. Then, of course, Asante Kotoko and what is even the way forward. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enjoy the amazing content yourself or your platform. So the name is Obed the Champion. You can call me Obed. Well, first thing first, Coach Ogum SSN selection. I mean, this was not the usual Coach Ogum selection or system. He played a 4-back in today's game. First observation, Coach Ogum system called a 4-back system. And it paid off for Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko started with Samba O'Neill, Joseph Fablo at the back. And Justice Blay was pushed to the midfield. Lord Amwa, Patrick Esiedu, the usual 4 and 5. Now, when you're a middle of Blay in team menu, Babayaya, meaning Emmanuel Entry, started from the bench. Now, when you're Brantief and Saka Dauda Basi Wisdom. And Abrantie friend Albert Tamwa among the lead game no started by Asante Kotoko, and clearly you would attest to the fact that Kotoko kept a clean sheet and the decision to play Justice Blay in the middle paid off. He had an excellent game for Asante Kotoko in today's match. I mean, Blay was super in the middle together with the team menu. And it means you may be a coach who decided to obey your dressing room, and you may be a coach and decided to obey your them, and you may be decided to obey your training grounds. You know, it all paid off because yes, ADUANA had their moments, which is expected. Unko be home, and you don't expect any panon bobby. You don't expect the person not to have his moment. They will have their moment by the end of the day. You know what exactly no multimedia? That is the main point. That's the key point that we normally analyze when we have these discussions. And from that point, Asante Kotoko played very, very well. I mean, defense solid, midfield solid, and attack was solid. And we have to give credit to Coach Asante Ogum. Second thing is that for the first time this season, Asante Kotoko shared a free kick. On Friday, our channel way so. On Friday, our Reply FM, I talked about Kotoko and set piece. The Kanwa Semsa Asante Kotoko team no. Free kicks are hold to amunya, corners are hold to amunya, no fanye bibi papa biya. Throw crack Kotoko close to the opponent half, no. Kotoko ntimi fanye bibi papa biya. I talked about it on this channel. And clearly, after the game, Mahusa Amanfo started my credit to Air Patrick Esiedu for converting that free kick. Yambo team nabaso. Ball na air ball no, edru baby a un create chance. So be gia nipa 10 12 akwa ato atenem no enye de bia na esi your obo bi wa be pema ensi, but one moment free kick panya ni watu ahye corner panya ni obi ma pema ahye throw in about many ndom so anu ato no obi abahye. These are the moments that you're able to separate yourself when you get into tougher oppositions and tougher games. Match ni metia some moment when I take advantage de je and that was what Asante Kotoko used in there. Exceptional free kick from Patrick Esiedu. Peja ball bend ball na ball that goalkeeper. That was a game-changing moment because now got continuing chin ball shot, but he try me player around the penalty boxer. Referee not the ball not war. And one my opponent na kon echi ama menya space. Say me timi boni ya me timi shego. And eno na Asante Kotoko ye no. Space naba no one bat to atrem. Solid one from Patrick Esieru. I mean, this is the month of November. Now Asante Kotoko nshi go. November 3 matches are not Kotoko abono nshi go. And unfortunately, you have a free kick kama which you can easily vote it as Kotoko goal of the month. Even goal of the month in the Ghana Premier League. Abetamu go Patrick Esieru go ni betimi aje and yembo team na baso. Second thing is that still around the goals, a throw in a Kotoko that led to the goal. An attacking throw in so close to the penalty box of the opponent. Opponent in the penalty box nano pair. Kotoko two passes near Bona Abetamu ababe. That is what some of us have been talking about. Take advantage of these key things, fine margins, and separate yourself from the masses. Third observation, for the first time this season, Kotoko 2 goals. Yes. 12 matches, I feel that Kotoko 2 goals. Better late than never. And what a way to get that 2 goals. Against no other opponent than ADUANA-10. I mean, that was solid. First half, Ashebako. Second half, Ashebako. If you've been studying Kotoko Baseke, we ended the game first half leading. But second half, on bete. Brekum Chelsea, sa on bete. So there have been times I Kotoko lead the first half. But second half, no opponent, na bete. But that was not the story today. Kotoko lead the first half, no EDUVA. They led the first half and they ended the game still leading and ended the game by even scoring another goal to improve Kotoko's chances of winning the game. Solid one from the team. The boldness from Coach Ogum was also solid. And Emmanuel Entry started. Awuchi coach ne drop on. Because coach now Awuchi is not living up to expectation to a drop on. And what started Babaya started with Dombasi. So now Entry started from the bench. But me a Kabla starts on somebody started from the bench. And he will need to upgrade his performance if he want to start the next game. That's the boldness from Coach Ogum. And then coach decided say, or call all out the BCC. But it went well for Kotoko. The fifth thing is that while Adriana stars come home, the referee, the ball first half, you know, so back. Your poor second half will be who police will be trying referee, no share. And the court dressing room. It was bad. It was bad. Kotoko Chelsea ABC. Kotoko Adriana ABC. Kotoko became Mantehe. But Kotoko Chelsea at first half will lead. You who they see. Second half referee by Nani Sumasa. Last season, the same thing the year referee Kofi. This season, the year Reginald calling someone. Intimidating the referee. Video ne da bonten is there. That is a hokra kakrebi o. Kakrebi. Out will be butu latif adari kakrebi no. So imagine if enka yenya full recording kesia. What would have definitely happened? Ewon komonum. Den pan anke besi. Kakreyi bisa sen ka den ne besi. Ebi anke beti atenka boni, ebeti asemboni a chensa. So the FA must be ready to punish any club, including Kotoko, if who put to the referee's life at stake. Referees na brabono. Ode could dia baby a who we no sefata asotwe. And you can say, oh, there be, you must be punished. Brekum Chelsea, yes, you punish you, but one day be anu pray obi ba. Referee no obi ba, obi nua, obi kunu. So the extra security must be there at any time. They should not allow them to have access to the referee. So that it should also happen to every club. I mean, look at the disgraceful nature. Say I started second half. Now close to 15 minutes, players about Bejina Park. So now referee by at the ya twa shed or say reinforcement and by the second half. They see a chairman reinforcement ba. Now referee ninya the assurance say the life you save and say no about this second half. Even with that, don't you think a part of the mind of the referee will be telling him to sway towards the direction of the home side? Saying at the end of the day, obe please the home fans. No, we are not in a war zone. Football is an entertainment. Esi wo Kumasi ebeka, esi wo baby ebeka. Inti ene esi wo doma esi eka. So it is wrong. What is wrong is wrong. A referee cannot leave the house to come and officiate a game, and his life not about under threat. But clearly, the Asante Kotoko family is happy. Also, be any aje. I mean, we share video. I know motu ogume, be any aje. Say unkunimdia timaya Asante Kotoko dia. The next match, God being so good, is against a Division 1 side in Future Stars. Then you can take advantage and prepare for your next game, which is against a Hard to Folk. For now, the Ghana Premier League Kotoko started from Banka Krakra. Now, we could start steady. Baby, and go stars na share by Nations Lusui, Heart of Lions share, Midiama share, Bechem United share. How to folk but Odrona Kotoko share. So that the points gap between Kotoko and the other top 5. 5 points between Kotoko and Baby and Go Stars. That's from first position to 8th position, 5 points. The next Kotoko game is against Haas. So Haas never Kotoko home. Haas that to Kotoko top. You can beat them no assign. So if Kotoko beats me a win all the other matches, because the remaining matches like that Kotoko anymore. There is Haas, there is Midiama, there is Babian Go Stars, Vision FC and Dreams FC. But what in common see? So 3 of the opponents are Kotoko member in the next 5. No, emu 3 and a Kotoko soro. So if you're able to beat them, me say ubetimi ended the first round. Ebra oba abe sign omo. Because when it has bebo ni Midiama bebo na any Go Stars bebo. So if you are performing well, putting up a good performance, you can win and really flog these clubs so that you can end the first round. Even when you are not first in par, the points gap between one and the other first will be close. And that is the story. And that is the conversation. Ogum called for unity. Make sure say when here pa. And Asante Kotoko chita for ni be call. PM Dom the bass coy. And make sure say Coach Ogum together with every Kotoko fan, he said this win, no, a togetherness. I'm happy that and when we meeting to iron the differences for people to still decide see ebeko doma akota team. I'm happy. Nana pin cry idea. Meeting now here no why idea pa. So I'm not trying to take the credit away from the technical team. But I'm in weak way. How Ogum interacted with some of the angry supporters. Now command to you minimum how Ogum yes Ejumano. Nti enyam won ase ne okojina post match and all kind unity who asem. Where he was talking about unity and togetherness. Because Ogum called for that. Or friend Perumka said he can leave Kotoko, but the Kotoko family belong to all of us. Nti mo bi njina bibi so abufuo bi so enka so atwene ho Kotoko mbre. Obiambe Kambum, he invited everybody on board to help Kotoko win this game. And that is solid from the coach, Ayefred Ogum. But credit by Ohoni Ebeko because tactically you were super. Where you put clean sheet. So we'll check here. This is the first time in the last 5 games. Last 5 matches, Biana Kotoko and keep clean sheet. Basake no clean sheet. Legon Cities no clean sheet. Bechem Heart of Lions Nations. The first time at 5 matches, Kotoko keep clean sheet. First time after 12 games, Kotoko actually 2 goals. And no steady after match, they won a Kotoko away against Karel and Kotoko abo away. You know, no team winning. Ne Chelsea draw. Ne Legon Cities lose. Ne Bechem lose. And then ne Basake draw. So the first time after match, they won. Asante Kotoko Timia could win an away game, which is also positive. And you know, some of the key observations when I see about Abaso. I like the fighting spirit of Dauda Saka. But for Abetamwa, I mean, he's the hero of the season. Abetamwa is the hero of the season for Asante Kotoko. I mean, so far, Abetamwa was 6 goals for Kotoko. Kotoko team ni nyina was 10. And Abet was 6. Ongo Bako, Isaka Mohammed, Patrick Essiedu, Michael Che, Jamana, Emmanuel Enchi. So Abetamwa remains the heartbeat of Kotoko. Was just 60% of Asante Kotoko goals. And Enyame Wasa Kotoko ni Legon Cities uprai. Kotoko ni Lions wambo. Kotoko ni Nations of Free Bench in a buy. Kotoko ni Beche United wambo. And Kotoko struggled in all those matches. And Enyame Wawan. So it's the heartbeat of the Kotoko team. A Fibian, you play about Kotoko soon the fano. Emma no done in your mama Kotoko this season. It's clear that it's Abetamwa. Okay, time I Blay by him, soon not for Blay. Some scenes Buana Mbela, Ibuana Mukwala, but this season is Abetamwa. And anything that should be done to make sure this boy can remain fit most of the time for Kotoko should be done. Send your bit me and live you up to expectation, bit me put you up top performance to please Asante Kotoko fans and make the fans happy. Good game by our standard. Good game. This is what we've been calling for. This is what we've all been calling for. Yambo team ni nyina abaso. Omaya ade. Na yenhwe se moving forward. Ombetimi ato akoso na omaso gyan e de aboa ma Asante Kotoko nyoma nyina etimi akoye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There are other videos never to us. Bye bye.
Ogum by mistake. I'm saying rapper. Ogum now.